Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today we are discussing about finger abacus. So we have already done one class. Sorry, I couldn't able to post videos about this topic because of my personal reason. So let's start again. So in this video I want to do one time revision of what we learned in the earlier class, and as well as how to do addition and subtraction using finger abacus basic method. As all of you know how to set the values 0 to 99 using fingers, still I want to do quick revision. For 1, 2, 3, 4 it's like normal only, how we will represent in normal way. In finger abacus also we represent in the same manner, and from 5 onwards it will change the pattern how we will generally keep, and finger abacus that it differs. So when we are keeping the values we must start from the index finger and then so on. So let's start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So for 5 you need to close all the fingers, only thumb finger up, then 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4. This is 10. So how you will represent 10? 1, 0, 10, right? So means right hand side 1 and left hand side 0. So next 11, 12. So 12 is 1, 2. Sorry, I hold my mic, so that's why I couldn't able to show you. Wait, let me set the mic first. Here I need help of my two hands. So once I set the mic, I'll try to explain, because I don't have much time to do all the setup first then record. Whenever I find it, I'll do everything in rush way. So sorry for that. I'll try my best to do my work. So let's start the counting. 1, 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, then 16, 17, 18, 19. So 20 is 2, 0, right? So 2, 21, 22, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. So 80. It's bit hard to keep fingers like this for initial days, but once you have practiced, so you can able to put very easily. So 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Sorry, I did very fast. So because anyway we have done all this stuff in the earlier video, that's why it's like a quick revision. So next I want to put some random numbers. 3, 5, 35, then 7, 1, 71. So right hand side 7 and then left hand side 1, 6, 1, 61. Next 3, 5, 35. Next 7, 8, 78. Then 6, 8, 68. Then 4, 2, 42. Then 5, 8, 58. Then 1, 5, 15. Then 9, 0, 90. Again, it's a quick revision of some random numbers. So if you didn't get this video, it's okay, fine. You better to watch the earlier video so that you will understand what I'm telling here. So once we know how to set the values, let's do addition and subtraction. So I will teach you addition and subtraction separately first, then we will do few problems together. Both addition and subtraction will be there. So let's start. So the first question is 2 plus 1. So whenever you are dealing with the one digit, you should open your right hand side, right? So 2 plus 1. So when we are opening fingers, addition means we need to open the fingers. When you are opening fingers, you must start with the index finger and then you need to proceed to the other side. So 2 plus 1, which is 3. Let's write the answer, 3. Next question, 2 plus 2. So 4. Next question. 3 plus 1, which is 4. So that's how you will do your addition. So you need to open the fingers from your index finger. Okay, subtraction means you need to subtract the fingers, means you need to close the fingers from your small finger. Okay, you need to close from small finger. 2 minus 1. So we need to close from here. Okay, so 2 minus 1, which is 1. Okay, so the answer is 1. Next, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2. So the answer is 0. Okay, next one is 3 minus 1. So the answer is 2. So when we are opening our fingers, we need to start from index finger. When we are closing, we need to start our from small finger. Okay, so now we know how to do addition and subtraction. Okay, so now we will combine these two operations in one expression, then we'll try to solve it. So yeah, here we have two operations together. Few problems I have taken less than 5 and few I have taken above 5. Okay, so above 5 values, above 5 numbers. Okay, so 3 minus 1 plus 2. See the way I am adding and subtracting numbers, it's very important. So which is 4. Next, it's very important to keep this point in our mind. So that is, when you want to add, you need to add from your index finger. When you are subtracting, you need to subtract from your small finger. Otherwise you will get your answers wrong. Okay, let's do the next question. 2 minus 1 plus 1. So what's the answer? 2. Yes. Next one, 4 minus 2 and then plus 2. So adding time here this way and subtracting that way. Okay, plus 2. So I added. Then how much I got it? 4. Okay. Next one, 1 plus 3. So 3 and then minus 2. So subtract 2. Then answer is 2. Okay, done. Next one, 5. So how to show 5? Only you need to show with the thumb finger. Okay, 5 plus 2, again plus 2, then remove 2, then remove 1, then remove 1. So what's the answer? 5. Only thumb finger means 5. Okay, so next question. So once again I am repeating here, if you want to add the values, you should start from index finger. Okay, if you want to subtract the value, you should start from small finger. Okay, let's start next question. 1. So one finger up, index finger, then plus 5. So 1 plus 5, then plus 2, then remove 5, then add 1, then remove 2. So the answer is 2. Next question. 1 plus 2 minus 1. Again plus 2 minus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 4. Next question. 4 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3, then plus 4 plus 8 minus 5. So then the answer is 3. Okay, that's how we need to do addition and subtraction using finger abacus. I hope you understand all the problems. Representing number till 4 is like normal way only. How you will represent? So 1 2 3 4. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 4 is 9. So when it comes to 10, it's a 2-digit number. So 1 0. Okay, so and when you are adding, you need to open from your index finger, and when you are subtracting, you need to close from your small finger. It's a basic method. You can't solve all the problems using this method. Don't try it. So later on we have some methods there. You need to apply the formulas to get your values or to get your result. So have patience and try to do only those problems which we can solve using basic method. If you're a mom and who wants to prepare smart kids, so definitely you need to subscribe my channel. So that's it for today's session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.